The art of polishing upper molars. Top tips and tricks with Dr Gurvinder Bhirth. After finishing the restoration, start with the pink Venus Supra twist brush pre-polisher. The shape of this pre-polisher and the bending twist brush allow access to deep fissures. All Venus Supra polishers need to be used with sufficient water cooling, at least 50 milliliters per minute. Use the twist brush with water at 7,500 RPM in continuous motion and apply gentle pressure only. Switch to the grey Venus Supra twist brush polisher. Again using a continuous motion at 7,500 RPM with sufficient water cooling. Here you can see the restoration before polishing. This is the restoration directly after polishing. And this is the restoration after 1 month.